Hey guys, so today I will be doing the blue rice water challenge. I've already showed you how to make this. There's also a red rice water version of this. So if you guys want to see the process and how I made this, I'm going to be linking it in the description box down below. So basically what I'm going to be doing is I will be using the blue rice water on my hair consistently for 3 days. Now this is a perfect time to actually use it because this is my hair washing day. So today I will be using this as a last rinse. Now the rice water has a lot of claims in just making your hair look healthier and also for hair growth. So I was actually wondering if by doing this experiment, if this is going to affect the texture of my hair. Is it gonna make my hair more healthier? So that is it. So before we get started, I would actually like to touch on the quality of the rice because I know a lot of people have been using rice water lately on their hair, but I don't think anyone talks about the quality of the rice that they're using. I find that using the organic rice that is chemical free and pesticide free works best on the hair, just because if you are going to ferment it, you don't want any of the chemicals or pesticides to nest on your hair and get fermented as well. So that's just my little concern about that. All right, you guys, so let's get started. I'm gonna rinse this first. Okay, so while this is sitting down, I'm going to harvest the blue butterfly pea. So here they are. This one too, that one looks alive. That one as well. Oh, there's one more here. And that one. Okay. Now, so here it is. I'm just gonna pour it in here. Ah! Oh wow, that's so messy. Right, that's such a mess. I am, however, going to make more of these for fermenting them up ahead because I will be using it for 3 days. So I'll make more of these and clean that up. So I just shampooed my hair already and put conditioner. So now I'm just going to be using this as a last rinse. Just gonna go ahead and pour that all over my hair. By the way, I have a basin here to catch. Okay. As I've said, this would be great if you actually use this in the bathroom, so that you could really soak your hair in it. But yeah, since I have the basin right here, what I'll do is I'll soak my ends in it. By the way, guys, if you all are aiming for hair growth or if you just want a healthy scalp and get rid of dandruff as well, put this specifically on your scalp. So I'm gonna leave this soaking on my hair and scalp for 20 to 25 minutes, and after that I'm going to wash it off. Alright, you guys, so I really love the result on my hair. I was just curling it today and all that, but I just feel like my hair is a lot stronger and it's a lot softer as well. So later what I'm going to be doing is I actually want to do the rinse, but I'm not gonna shampoo nor will I condition my hair. But however, I'll just use it to kind of just like wash off the waves and the curls that I have on my hair right now. And one thing that I do notice every single time I use rice water, it really does help preserve my ends. I just love the shine on my hair. So that's it. For this rice water, I'm actually sort of like focusing it on just like the mid and the bottom part of my hair because those are my concerns as of the moment. I actually want to test it out and see if the rice water is going to, you know, wash out or rinse out the hairspray that I put on my hair. Alright, anyway, so I'm just gonna let this soak and marinate on my hair again, as I've said, for about 30 minutes. And then I'm just gonna wash it off with water inside the bathroom because it's hard doing it here. You guys, it's the third day. I actually really do like that. Even if I just use the rice water to wash my hair still felt very soft and smooth. And I actually did not use any conditioner on my hair, but it really still did a pretty good job in making my hair very soft. So today is the last day that I'm going to be consistently using this on my hair. Just gonna do this once again. Gonna let my hair just saturate in here for a bit. Such a weird thing to do. You know what, I was thinking that maybe I could do this next time, I don't know, for a month, since this is very easy for me to do anyway, but not really use this on my hair every single day. It's just, what I mean is that I'm going to consistently use rice water on my hair every single time I wash it for a month and see how my hair reacts to it and feels. And so far, I really do like it because, as I've said, it definitely made my hair stronger. I had less hair fall as well, which is really great. And also, this is not really a problem for me to do every day just because we eat rice 3 times a day, so nothing really goes to waste. Okay, so this time what I'll do is I will have to use a shampoo. However, I will not use a conditioner just to see if the rice water is still going to soften my hair. And then after that, I'm gonna let you guys know about my final thoughts about it. Alright you guys, so my final thoughts after doing this challenge is that I noticed that I had less hair fall. My strands feel stronger. My hair feels softer, and for some reason my hair feels like it has been coated with something, kind of just like a protective coat, especially on my strands. That has definitely made my hair stronger. And also I just like how it added some shiny texture to my hair as well. And throughout me consistently using it on my hair, even without using any conditioners on my hair or any other products on my hair, it still did a pretty good job in making my hair soft and clean after. Also, I think that it's really great because it doesn't leave your hair any pungent smell or any funny smell on your hair at all. It's not like the ACV that you need to completely wash it off with either a good smelling conditioner or shampoo. With this, you can easily wash it out with cold water and your hair is not gonna smell at all. And I find that this is just as effective as those rice water that has been fermented for a week or even 2 weeks. And if that works for you, that's really great. But for me, I just can't stand that type of rice water. So that is it, you guys. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you found this content valuable, please do share it to a friend, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!